Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy competitive examination revision. In today's revision session, we are going to discuss about the 5 important concepts from the topic cardiac glycosides. The first one is cardiac glycosides possess the basic nucleus of dash tropane, terpene, cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene, and none of the above. Just we have to think about the basic nucleus present in the cardiac glycosides. Okay, so tropane usually coming for alkaloids. Okay, that is pyrrolidine fused with piperidine. Then terpenes, it will be coming under volatile oils category. Then steroid nucleus, that is called as cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene. This is the basic nucleus present in cardiac glycosides. All structure will be derived from these basic nucleus only. So the correct answer is cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene. That is the basic nucleus present in the cardiac glycosides. Okay, then the second question is cardiac glycosides possess cardiac activity due to the presence of dash. I repeat the question once again. Cardiac glycosides possesses cardiac activity due to the presence of dash glycoside linkage, steroid nucleus, hydroxy group, then alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. Okay, the glycoside linkage, steroid nucleus, hydroxy group, alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. 4 options have been mentioned. Just we have to think about that. Usually the steroid nucleus, that will be possessing different types of pharmacological properties. In some cases it is possessing anti-inflammatory. In some cases the hydroxy group, it is possessing the antimicrobial property, but here the alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring is possessing the cardiac activity. Then the question number 3, that is sugar part in the cardiac glycoside is responsible for dash cardiac activity, toxicity, water and lipid solubility, then none of the above. Okay, cardiac activity, toxicity, water and lipid solubility, and none of the above. Just we have to think about all the answers present in the given options. Okay, so cardiac activity, that may be the correct answer or not. Okay, then toxicity, it should not be the correct answer. None of the above also should not be the correct answer. The correct option will be 1 or 3. So just we have to think about whether the answer will be cardiac activity or water and lipid solubility. The question is sugar part in the cardiac glycoside is responsible for what? That is water and lipid solubility. That is the correct answer. Okay, then the question number 4, toxicity of digitalis is increased due to dash entry of calcium ion, depletion of sodium ion, depletion of potassium ion, and none of the above. I repeat the question once again. The toxicity of digitalis is increased due to entry of calcium ion, depletion of sodium ion, then depletion of potassium ion, and none of the above. Which one will be the correct answer? Just we have to think about the mechanism of each and every these types of minerals. So we have to know the role of minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium means just we can remember the keys easily. So the correct answer will be, what may be the correct answer? That is depletion of sodium ion. Then the question number 5 and the last question, digoxin is useful in the treatment of what? A very easiest question, hypertension, congestive heart failure, edema, and none of all of the above. Okay, so usually digoxin, it will be acting in the cardiovascular system. Okay, so the first option or the second option, these may be the answer. digitoxin or digoxin, I mean these compounds will be effective in congestive heart failure. That is the correct answer. So dear friends, dear students and dear viewers, all of you prepare well for the pharmacy competitive examinations in all types. That cardiac glycosides topic is most important. So we are wishing you for your successful brightful future and the successful GPAT 2022, then ESIC, MRB, RRB, drug inspector and assistant drug controller, I mean any other all pharmacy competitive examination. Okay, so again we are wishing you அருள் பெயராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீண்ட ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகள், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. அருள் பெயராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.